This is a quick review of the 4-piece toiletry travel bottles. Now, this is a pretty sweet little kit that it comes into. It fits in perfectly. And these are each made out of silicone rubber. And it's super easy to open up if you'd like to. I travel quite a bit for work and also for family. And so this comes in very, very helpful. Now, when you open it, it's pretty easy to be able to put any kind of liquids inside of it, especially because it has a pretty open, broad hole to put things in instead of it being very, very small. And then of course, putting it back in. Now this works great for especially like shampoo, even any kind of lotion or any kind of soap. And I think that also the best part is the fact that this is not plastic. And so it's very easy to compress down if need be. And it fits in pretty perfectly inside of this kit. So hopefully this was helpful to you, at least getting a good look. And also in a proximity as far as how big it is, and very, very easy to open up, close, and to use. So hope this short tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.